costume, 30%. Stage presence, with their projection and confidence, is 50%. And audience impact is 20% for a total of 100%. So, yun po ang ating criteria for judging sa ating top 3. Top 3. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so,
Ito yung record check niya.
leave the stage again. Thank you so much.
May kuha mo.